All right, in this lesson, we are going to talk about writing a sales letter, a sales email, based on some specific requirement connected to our product. Let's say here is our gaming mouse, right? And I want to provide additional information based on this product, based on the description that we have here, some of the information that it's written here, right? And then ask ChatGPT to write a very engaging email letter for increasing the sales for promotions of this product. So the first thing that we need to do is to assign a role to ChatGPT. Act as a professional digital marketer and copywriter. Okay, so here I wrote down the main task, which is I have a gaming mouse as my product and I want you to write a promotional email for me to sell this product to my email subscribers. Okay, and here I can add more information about my product description. Okay, can come here and write this, copy paste this title, right? Then on the next line, add more information about it. About this item, I can come here and copy this description and so on. Okay. And one other thing is that you can tell ChatGPT that all of this content that we wrote here is about the product description by putting it inside 3 quotations at the end and at the beginning. Okay. So I can come here and add these 3 quotations here as well. So this was the product description. And now I can tell ChatGPT how I want my promotional email be. I want the promotional email be very understandable, And here is a technique. If you are not familiar with marketing cognitive biases, we have about 23. Actually, there are more, but in my courses, I talk about 23 marketing cognitive biases. These are some advanced strategies to convince people to do something. Okay. And I can tell ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is familiar with these strategies, I can tell ChatGPT to use these marketing cognitive biases. I want you to use at least 5 marketing cognitive biases like scarcity and reason respecting tendency. You don't need to write the name of it, but since I know these marketing cognitive biases, I can make some examples for ChatGPT to understand what do I mean by marketing cognitive biases. Contrast, liking, loving tendency, and so on. Okay. Tendency. So the next thing that I want ChatGPT to do in this email, I want to use call to action at least 3 times. I want you to use the main call to action at least 3 times in this email. 1 at the beginning, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the end. Try to be very friendly throughout the email. Okay, so this is an example that you can use to ask ChatGPT to create email promotion, to create promotional email for you based on the product and the needs that you have. So let's see what ChatGPT will create for us. So it wrote a subject for me. Again, we can talk about subject a lot. We can tell ChatGPT to do it shorter, to make it longer, to use this word, to use that word inside it. And here it is writing this. Okay. Now, one thing, if you pay attention, All right, here are the call to actions that that people or subscribers can click on it, right? It wrote it with bold text, okay? So I can make some changes. Let's come here and make those changes. I want short paragraphs and I want you to use some images inside the email. Now you may say that, all right, ChatGPT doesn't have the power to create or use images. Instead of the image, I want you to describe it. Okay, so it cannot use the image, but it can describe it, okay, at its perfect position. So let's save this and see the result again. So here it is. It even has some emojis inside it, even though that I didn't mention. Right, here's our first call to action, and here we have the picture. You see, picture, imagine an elegant streamlined black mouse, etc. Okay, then again we have another text here, another image, another paragraph here. Don't miss call to action, picture, again another paragraph, and some more information, image, another text, another call to action, and that's it. Okay, so this way you can tell ChatGPT to create a perfect email campaign for you to do promotions. Again, if you have more information based on your product, you can get a better result, right? So that was all about this lesson. If you're ready, let's go for the next one.